Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you're doing well, happy, healthy, and inspired to launch your juice bar businesses or improve your existing juice bar business. Today we are talking about if you will regret this one thing when it comes to your juice business. Now, before I tell you what that one thing is, I need to build the anticipation. First and foremost, if you guys don't know who I am, you don't know what we do for over the past 10 years, myself and our agency has had the pleasure of helping people like you, as well as other people all around the world, launch and scale juice bar businesses, acai bowl concepts, healthy plant-based cafes, as well as running our own businesses in this category. And so all the information we're giving you here actually comes from experience. Also, if you have not hit the like button, now's an opportunity to do that. If you've been liking the content, press the like button now. That'll let other people get exposed to this information, because it's important that we empower one another to really create a healthier world. As some of you may know, our mission is really to create a world where there are more empowered entrepreneurs who can create healthy food service concepts, so there are more juice bars, acai bowl, smoothie bowl businesses than there are fast food restaurants, because to me it doesn't make any sense that we live in a world where there are literally more places that harm you and are not supporting your health than there are places that support your health. So let's help humanity get healthy. Now, moving into the topic of conversation today. I was talking to a prospective client on the phone earlier today, and he said something that I thought was really powerful, and it was worth repeating, and it was worth bringing up. And he said, "You know what, Andrew? I've been sitting with the feeling and the knowing that I need to start a juice bar for so long, and I'm finally ready to do it, because I thought to myself, I don't want to be the person at 80 years old that looks back on his life and says, I wish I would have started that business." And I thought that was so powerful and so important. And I found that it's funny, because in my own life, I often have this habit of doing that. I kind of live my life backwards in some ways. I look to the later stages of my life and think about the decisions that I'm making now and think, will I regret doing this? Or will I regret not doing this? So for you, when it comes to your juice business, if you've allowed fear to keep you from launching your business or taking action or investing the money that you need to and bringing on the right people to develop your concept, will you regret the fact that you didn't take that risk, that you didn't really bet on yourself? It's oftentimes been said, there's these, I forgot what it was, but there was something that spoke about the top 10 regrets of the dying, and that people on their deathbeds often don't regret the things that they've done, the things that they've tried that they failed at, but the things that they didn't do. They look back at their lives and said, I didn't take that risk. I wasn't bold enough in doing it. I didn't tell that person that I love them. I didn't do not what they've done, right? It's better to try and fail than to not try at all. And so you have to ask yourself and take really honest inventory. Will you regret not taking action on starting your juice bar business if it's a burning passion that you have? What is going to be stronger for you? Your inspiration, your love of the product, your love of helping people, or your fear, right? Your fear of failure. This is really why we're here. We are here because, for me, I realized that what's going to help give people confidence is education, having more information, also having access to mentors, right? Connecting to people who have done it time and time and time again, that understand what makes things work and doesn't work. And so we are here to support you and tell you that it is possible, because often, and I may have mentioned this before in other videos, but oftentimes it's not the people who are successful that are truly smarter or better than you or I. It's just that they're willing to move through their fear. They're willing to do things that most people aren't willing to do, right? They're willing to commit to their vision. They're willing to create a plan, and they're willing to take action. 1 ounce of action is worth 100 pounds of theory, 100 pounds of concept, 100 pounds of desire, right? Wanting to do something for years and years and years, there's one person who just takes one action. It's so much more valuable, and you will learn so much more from taking action. So that's the message I want to give to you guys today, is just asking yourself, taking inventory. If you've been watching this channel for a long time, and I know people I talked to who said, I've been watching your channel for 5 years, and now I'm ready to hop on the call and talk to you about my business. You may not have all the time in the world. Your community might not have all the time in the world. Think about that person who might need help now, who's got some debilitating chronic illness, who needs help now, who doesn't have 5 years to wait for the juice bar that's going to give them access, that's going to give that information, that inspiration to empower them to get healthy. They might die of a heart attack a month from now, 2 months from now, right? And it's not to be negative and put fear in you in that way, but it's just to understand that if you have the inspiration to help other people, realize that there are other people who could benefit from you having and starting your business sooner than later. So don't wait. If you do need help, as you guys know, we are here for you. Reach out to me at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. Happy to discuss, to see what we can do. We'll always do the best that we can. If we can't help you, we'll let you know, but we will always do the best that we can to help you with wherever you're at. So reach out to me, and I hope this has hopefully lit a little bit of a fire in your spirit to really take action on whatever your dreams are. If you guys have any questions or comments, you know where that goes, or you just want to tell me you like the content, put it in the comment box. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you definitely want to subscribe. Also hit that notification bell as that pops up, because that will alert you anytime we release new content. If you're not following us on Instagram, follow us at StartAJuiceBar. And then lastly, if you like to listen to podcasts or you didn't know we had a podcast, we release all of our podcasts on iTunes and on Spotify at the Juice Bar Experts, as well as on our website at StartAJuiceBar.com. We've got blogs, we've got podcasts, we've got all of it. So check us out there, and you can also reach me there and learn a little bit more about our services and what we have to offer. That's all for today. Until next time, hoping you guys are doing well. I'll see you at the next video. I hope you guys have been enjoying all of the content. If you're in a place where you are really inspired to start your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what the next steps are, for you, we've created a free ebook, The 15 Steps to Starting Your Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you an overview of everything that you need to do, from just having a concept all the way to launching your business. Beyond that, if you're inspired to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint, that is going to go into great detail into every single area of launching a successful juice business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you'll find a lot of value out of them. As always, wishing you guys a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.